Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make walnut, pressed walnut shell exfoliating hand soap. So first off, go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of walnut shell down on the base of the mold. I got all these supplies at your local hobby store or the internet. You can get all these supplies along with the soap and all the different things, the beaker and all that stuff. But basically right now what we're going to do is grab some clear soap, cut into 1-inch squares for this demonstration. I'm just going to go ahead and put in probably like around 10. We'll add some color into it just to change it up a little bit. Let's go with peach. And we'll just take it and just add just a couple of drops of peach in there. That was more than a couple of drops, but that's all right. And then we'll go ahead and put this in the microwave for about a minute or so. Okay, having taken that out of the microwave for about 45 seconds, I'm going to spray alcohol in here to dissipate the bubbles. Alcohol is going to be your friend when you make soap like this. It's melt and pour soap, and basically in doing so, it just has the ability to allow the soap to stick to the next layer. So we're going to go ahead and pour the soap in there, and just basically have it as where it goes in. It's going to move the walnut shell off to the side, but that's okay. We're just going to go ahead and put a little bit more walnut shell in there and sprinkle those dudes in there like that. And what that's going to do is again float to the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and stir it on up, and then eventually they'll kind of settle out. If you go like this here, they'll settle out to the middle, and you'll see when the soap is done how they kind of settled out to the middle. Just stirring it up, nothing special. Doing that, and again let's put just a little bit more alcohol, and that's going to be your friend when this whole process is going. And then having the alcohol in there, it'll just make the soap stick to the next level or layer, but it's very, very important. Okay, after letting that set up for a while, you can go ahead and put some alcohol right here. All the stuff I'm doing is just kind of guesstimating. You could scale it out and weigh it out and all that stuff, but I like just to do it the way I do it. For the simple reason, it's a happy mistake. It's soap. It's going to go down the drain. So I just have fun with it. I don't really have a scale or anything, really perfect scales or all that stuff. The people that have bought this stuff, they've enjoyed it, and they just think it's very, very good and very, very nice. So I just kind of go as I go. So with that in mind, we're going to get the funnel out again. We're going to get some more clear diamond soap. Put a couple of those dudes in there. And this is going to be our next layer. And after just putting more walnut shell down there, we put the alcohol in there. I'm going to put this in here with some, let's go with seafoam coloring. Just have it a little bit different. So just going to have a little bit more fun, and just if something doesn't work out, I call it a happy mistake. So I'll put the seafoam here. I'm going to go ahead and put this guy in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Okay, I haven't taken it out of the microwave. We'll go ahead and put some alcohol in here. Again, I use 91% alcohol. I'm going to put just a little bit more down in here. And in doing so, it just allows that soap, the alcohol allows the soap to stick to itself. If not, it'll just come right off, right apart. So go about that far. Jump over here. Alright. And leave this enough room for the mineral soap, or the vitamin soap too. So you can stir this up like this a little bit. We're going to go ahead and add just a little bit more walnut shell. To get it is where, when you use the soap, it'll go right to the middle of the bar. So therefore in the end, when you go to have it, you'll use this all the way up to the middle of the bar. The other next one, the third layer, is going to be the vitamin side and just the moisturizer part of it. And you kind of see it looks like it's kind of suspended in space. I'll zoom in a little bit here for you. Okay, after having it cool down and set up, you can start to see the different layers. And that's ideally is what you want, is to have it is where the they're half and half with the walnut shell in the middle. So we'll go ahead and split just a little bit of alcohol down on it again. Alcohol's always your friend. Well, now what we're going to do is get some more soap. This is going to be the vitamin soap that we have. This has the moisturizers and vitamins in it. And just a couple of those guys. And what we'll do is I'm going to put a scent in there. This will be cool musk. So to have a little bit more of a manly scent. Just a couple of drops will do you. That's more than a couple of drops. That'll be okay. And we'll go ahead and put this in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Okay, after having taken it out of the microwave for 45 seconds, it's now liquid, real nice. Put a little bit of spray alcohol in there. I did put a little bit of cool musk in here, just to have it as where a little bit more of a scent to it. Let's hit the hop over here. Alcohol again, you don't want to use alcohol. Every time you pour another layer into another layer, it just makes it coagulate. Works a lot better. So this will be the moisturizer side of the soap, as well as the business side on the other side with the walnut shell. Just put a little bit of alcohol in it, and basically that's it. I'll let that sit up for about another hour or so, and then it's ready to go. Then we'll go ahead and wrap it up with some cling wrap, and go from there. Okay, after having it set up for a while, you can see that the soap's all ready to go. Comes out of the mold nice and easy. You can see the different layers of the soap itself. Now the walnut shell is at the top, middle, and then they have the moisturizer soap right here. So theoretically they should meet right in the middle. Just put this thing here and get it, again, let it set up for about 2-3 hours before you actually use it. And then just go ahead and wrap it up nice. It keeps any smells that you have. I have put that cool musk in here, so it'd be a real strong when you go to open it up again. It'll smell real nice. Now again, if you like these videos, let me know in the comments below. If you consider like and subscribe, that would help me out. And I thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye-bye.